You will all agree with me that hardly can you go a day without using your kitchen knives, either in the kitchen or just for some random stuffs. Which is why I strongly recommend and advise that you put toothpaste on your kitchen knives. Now, the big question is why? And what does this do? You'll find out pretty soon, okay? Hello guys, and welcome back again to my channel. Kitchen knives are used too many times in a day, consequently they become blunt and you will therefore need to sharpen them. Sometimes you just want to slice your vegetables but you just do not know how to sharpen your knives. Well, this trick will help you, okay? Toothpaste has a lot of uses apart from the conventional use of cleaning your teeth, okay? It is also rich in a special substance called silver film agent. Now, this substance play a great role in friction when sharpening your knives. So all you need to do is squeeze the toothpaste on the blade of your knife, then use your toilet paper to spread evenly on both sides. Please do not directly use your hand or your fingers, okay, to spread the toothpaste, as you could likely scratch your fingers. No matter how blunt your knife could be, it could also scratch you. So now the process can also help with oil stains that are dried on your knives. These stains actually go ahead and cause your knives to rust. So this process could actually also help you with that. So right now, just use your toilet paper to spread evenly and make sure you cover the blade. Then I'm just going to let this rest for about 1 minute, and then I'm going to proceed to the next thing that I'm gonna do. So right now, just get a bowl like this and then place upside down. What you want to do next is to just sharpen your knife up to bottom or from bottom to the top, whichever one is good for you, whichever one you prefer. So, but what you don't want to do is to sharpen from side to side, as this could, damage the blade. Also, it is easier to sharpen in one direction to control the uniformity of sharpening, okay? So guys, if you watched this video up to this point, please be sure to give this video a massive thumbs up. Click on the like button to support this channel, and if you found this tip helpful, please be sure to share with your friends, family, colleagues, as the case may be. All right, so when you are convinced that you've sharpened your blade enough, you just want to proceed and get yourself a bowl of water. So right now, just go ahead and wash your knife, wash the toothpaste off the knife, and then you can go ahead. Just be careful, okay, so you don't cut yourself in this process. Then you can go ahead and test out the knife that you've sharpened. And tada, can you see mine is cutting so effortlessly? I didn't even have to apply pressure like I did before I sharpen the knife. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.